Welcome to Goldwachen's Quality Tips. Do your brakes sound like this when you stop? Squealing brakes are very common and can be the result of your brake pads wearing down over time, your rotor being installed incorrectly, or it could be that your pad's compound is hard, causing your brakes to squeal. Road debris like dust, moisture, and rust accumulating in and around your brakes or rotor, or brake pad glazing. The smoothing out of your brake surface due to frequently braking sharply. Since brake failure can be dangerous, it's important to get your brakes checked regularly. A qualified mechanic can readily determine if your brakes simply need to be cleaned or if they need to be replaced. Visit your nearest Goldwachen for all your braking needs.